Hello everyone, this is Saad Aslam, and today we are going to discuss a LeetCode problem, that is two-sum problem. This question has been asked, one of the most commonly asked interview questions. So let's first understand the problem statement of this. So we have given array of integers nums and an integer target, and we have to return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a target. Okay, so basically, we have to return the indexes of the numbers that basically sum to the particular target we are given. So you can return the answer in any order. There is no constraint on that. So let's discuss the first example. So basically, we have numbers 2, 7, 11, and 15. It is an array of numbers, and the target is 9. So basically, here we can see 2 and 7 sums to this target 9, and the output is 0 and 1. That is the indexes of 2 and 7. So yeah, in the next example, 3 to 4 is an array of numbers, and the target is 6, and the sum is 2 and 4, and the indexes is 1 and 2. So similarly, example 3. So the idea is to find those numbers that get target to the particular number. So I think let's jump to the code. Okay. So here you can see we are going to use Java for solving this problem. So in the signature you can see we are given a array of numbers and a target we are given. So first of all, yes. So let's define the length of the num start. So throughout, just you can say suggestion throughout your technical interviews, try to think out loud. Like what each process you have to elaborate. Like you can use comments, or like you have to elaborate each step. Like if you are using any data structure, what data structure you are going to use, you have to elaborate that in your technical interviews. So solving this solution, we are going to use a hash map. The approach we are going to use is like, first of all, we are going to check each and every element and store it in some variable, and we are going to check if that variable exists in the map. Then it means that we have already encountered that number, and the sum of both of the numbers will equal to the target. Otherwise we are going to add the in the map, and we are going to execute, we are going to we can say go through all the numbers and until we find the sum of the particular we are given the target. So we are going to use a hash map for this. So basically, in hash map, first you it is a key value pair. So we are going to store a key that if we are going to store uh, each element we are processing through, and the second value will be the index of that particular number. For example, if we are going from 2, so here the key will be 2, and its index will be, and its value will be its index. Like it will be key will be 2 and its index will be 0. So for we are using hash map for this particular reason, because we have to return the indexes of the numbers. If we just have to return the numbers, not the indexes, then in that case we can use the hash set. But the problem we are given, so we have to return the indexes, so that for that particular reason we are using the hash map. So you have to elaborate why you are using hash map. So the interviewer can ask you why not hash set, and why you are using Hashmap. So you have to elaborate why you are using Hashmap. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to make a loop. So basically this loop will traverse through all of the numbers of the array and find if any particular two numbers target to the given number we are provided in the function. So first of all, like we are going to use a temporary variable. It will okay. So what this will store as like first if we take first number 2, so target is 9 and the number at index 0 is 2. So what will be stored in the first traversal is 7. So we will check if that number is available. So it will check if the number temp is available in the map. Then it means that we have already encountered the two pairs that sum to the target. Then we are going to add it in uh, array that we are going to integer array that we are going to return. Otherwise, we are going to add it in the map. For uh, returning the int array, we are going to use another result array. So here we can see if the particular number is in the map, then it will add that we are going to add the indexes of the two numbers in the map. Otherwise, we are going to add that number in the map. Okay, so if the number is found in the map, then we are going to add it in the result. So for two pairs, first we can easily identify from the iteration we are going through the loop. So first index will be the I, and to get the other index of the number, like we have to get that particular number from the map. So that's why we are using hash map instead of hash set, so that we can uh, get the key or get the value from using the key of the value. And when loop terminates, uh, if the number is found, it we just have to like break through the loop. Otherwise the loop will continue, and after the loop terminates, and we are going to return the result. Okay, let me just run the code for any compiler issues if we have. Okay, map, oh sorry, it is map.put. Okay, so it is accepted. Let like the for the given input, the output is this and the expected input this. So here we can see that you can return the answer in any order. The order doesn't matter, but you have to, you can see the indexes of the two is returned. So let me just go through an overview of this. So first, if for the first number, we have a number 2. Okay, for the first number, the target is, you can say target is 9 and the number is 2, and what will be stored in 7, temp it is 7. So if map dot contains 7 not for the first iteration, it doesn't exist in the map, then it will be added in the map. Like map will be something like this, like for the value 7 there will be, what will be the index? The index will be 0. Okay, and for the second iteration, the number is 7 and the target 9 minus 7 and temp will store 2. Okay, okay, so sorry, the for the last iteration at nums I, the value is 2. So for the second iteration, map dot contains key, so it will check if map dot contains t temp. So what is stored previously in temp is 2. Yes, so it will go in the if condition, and here you can see if we have to just add the indexes in the result and to return from the function. So basically that's it. We the simple approach is to use Hashmap. If you have another approach you can use to solve this problem, you can let me know in the comments. And the time complexity will be something order of n, like because we are going to loop through all of the numbers in the uh, array we are given. So if you have any other approach you can use, you can let me know in the comments. So that is one of the most commonly asked interview question, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will come to more exciting problems in the next videos. Thank you.